What's up guys, it's your girl Tiff and I'm back with another video. If you guys have not seen my eyeshadow collection video, go check that out now. But in that last eyeshadow collection video, I had made the comment as I was going through all of my palettes. I was like, damn Tiff, you got a lot of makeup, a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and you are not using them. So we are starting to use my palettes. I'm probably gonna be trying to do one look a week with each palette that I have over the next several weeks so that I can actually feel like I'm using the palettes. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not using these palettes. So we're gonna get into it. Jumping right into the Huda Beauty Topaz collection, or Topaz Obsession. My brows are already done. I'm just gonna use some concealer, and this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the color Mocha. I'm also trying to get better, guys, at like listing the products as I go along, because I haven't really done a talk through in forever in a day. So we're gonna do a little talk through. And now that that is blended out, I'm just gonna go ahead and set that with some loose face powder, and I am using an Airspun translucent extra coverage. I bought this one and the Naturally Beige, and I'm starting to really like this translucent powder. Like I'm finding myself reaching for it a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna use my who the hell is this by? Is this by Crown? I think this is a Crown brush. It is the C, honey, don't give me the line because it's kind of wiped off, C330 Pro Blending Crease Brush. And I'm gonna go in with this first color right here, which is this light burnt orange. I'm gonna get that powder on there. I'm gonna go right into the crease and then slightly above. Now I'm going in with a Juvia's Place J127 Precision Brush. I'm gonna take this yellow right here, which is like a mustard color. I'm gonna take that just a little bit on top of this orange, but a little bit higher, closer to my brow bone. I feel like it's not really coming up, and I don't know if it's because I didn't use a light enough concealer, but honestly, you don't have to use concealer. Like if I just chose to put an actual eyeshadow primer on my lid, then this color should be popping up. So I don't know. Going right back in with that crease brush, that blending brush. I'm gonna take the dark brown shade. I'm gonna put that slightly underneath where I applied that orange, but also a little into the crease as well. Okay, and I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush. I'm going to go back in with that orange to try to, you know, just go back in with the damn orange. So now I'm gonna take that brown and just kind of tap it on the out and the inner part of my eye. And I'm gonna use this Urban Decay shadow brush. It just came with one of the palettes I had before. I'm not gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna just carve out the middle. Since, like I said, I kind of want this to be a halo look. I'm in between this color and that color, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go for it. So now I'm gonna take this Crown C528 brush. It's like a really tapered blending brush. And first I'm gonna dip it back into that brown, and then I'm gonna go right above where I put this gold color and kind of carve it a little bit more. And this is just gonna give it a little bit more precision. And now taking that same color I'm gonna kind of like blend it into this gold so that it's just not super hard. And I'm gonna do that for the inner and the outer. All right, so I'm gonna get my lashes together and I will be right back. All right, so lashes are on, foundation is on. I use my Born This Way. Here we go. Here goes the itching. Born This Way. Born This Way foundation from Too Faced, and I am in the color Chai. And then I'm going back in with that same concealer, the Mocha, and I'm just blending. I'm going in with the Espresso matchstick from Fenty. Alright, and I'm gonna take my Real Technique. This was, I don't even know, just a contour brush, I believe. And now we're gonna contour, blend out that contour. And I always just go in with the Beauty Blender and blend in between the contour and the highlight, so I ain't looking crazy. We are gonna go in with our Sacha Buttercup. I'm using that same Beauty Blender, and I'm going to pat that in. I'm not necessarily trying to bake. I'm just trying to set that under eye highlight as well as the other areas. And I like using my Beauty Blender because it's already damp. It's not soaking up the product, and it just, I feel like it makes it absorb a lot better. And yeah, like we ain't got time to bake. Like, I'm so pressed for time right now. All right, so I'm going to set my makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade 35 Deep. And I'm just gonna take my Morphe E58 brush and dip it in there. Wipe off that excess. And we just wanna set. And this is, I also do this in Brush Away, where I have set my highlight. And that just kind of makes it, in my opinion, look a little bit more blended together. And we are gonna go in with the Anastasia contour kit. This is in tan to dark. And I go in between these two shades right here to go ahead and sculpt out where I did my cream contour. Who's that girl? All right, I'm going in with MAC's Gold Deposit. I'm just going to apply that to the apples. Well, not the apples, but right above my contour. And I bring it up like that. I take a little bit right there, a little bit right there, a little bit right there. I ain't with the all that nose highlight, y'all, but I'm gonna do a little. I'm gonna do a little. There go our little. I can't. I ain't that girl. Sorry. I'm gonna take that same highlight and I'm gonna go right underneath the arch of my eyebrow. And that's it. I'm not even dragging it. I just want that to, like, y'all see that? Just want it to hit. Y'all see that? I just want it to hit. I want it to hit right there, okay? Now I'm gonna go back in with that same powder brush and just do a tap. That's it. I really don't want to do blush, but I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use Towel by NARS. And I'm just gonna lightly put a little something right there. I kind of want to brighten up underneath my waterline, so I'm actually gonna go in with this white pencil by NYX. Which is like a pearl, and it ain't really giving me what I need right now, but I don't even have the time to get up and go find another one. Taking a pencil brush and I'm going underneath my eye. I'm gonna start with that dark brown. And I'm dragging it along the waterline. And trying not to tear up all at the same time. All right. And I'm using the same brush. I'm just gonna take that burnt orange and go right underneath that. Don't ask me what I'm using on my lips, because y'all already know. First person to guess gets a hug. And we're gonna use Makeup Shayla's Quickie. And on top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Mariah Carey Little Miss Monroe gloss. I'm gonna set my face first before I put my mascara, because I don't want it to transfer, which it seems to do sometimes. Woo! And once this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara. I'm gonna let it dry because I've like done this before and then blinked and boom, I got mascara. We ain't got time, so I'll be right back. All right guys, so I am back. This is the completed look. I went ahead and threw on some mascara and mascara on my lashes, top and bottom. And this is it. Like, Tiff, you did your thing with this. You did your, sometimes I have to give myself a pat on the back and tell myself you are good, because sometimes I really have, like, I doubt myself a lot of times. I doubt my skill, I doubt my talent, and then I turn around and do some shit like this and I be like, girl, stop it, throw that doubt out the window. But anyway, this is the look. Yes, I had to go throw on a hat. I have on my lovely long middle part wig that I showed you guys in my last video, but I still have not gotten any Gossipy glue or nothing to kind of slick it down and make it look a little bit more natural. So we throwing on the hat. It's raining outside anyway. So this is the look, the halo eyes. I opted to not do the eyeliner, and I like that. I really like that. And you know, one reason why I like it, because it's challenging me to get so much better with putting on lashes, because sometimes when we have that eyeliner, that's like our cover up if we're not exactly close, if we're not really good at putting on exactly where they need to be, the lash band. That mascara is like, I mean, that eyeliner is like a cover up. I got a whole eyelash like bending down. But without that, it's like you have to really get your precision on point. I feel like this look is missing something. It takes me to finish this damn tutorial to feel like it's missing something, and I feel like it's missing some inner tear duct, but I just don't have the time. So this is the completed look. I used the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. I hope you guys like this look, and if you do, you already know what to do. Hit like and subscribe for your girl. Don't forget to share with a friend. Don't be stingy, and I will see you guys in the next video.